bit humid on my glass of this lens. And every time I come out for the very first time since this morning when I took some other video, it gets humid. But I am finally sitting here at the Elegance pool, enjoying the new seats here. I can see the lens is a little foggy. Let me check again. Yeah, very foggy. Let's see here. It's the unfortunate thing. It's never been that bad. But here I am, trying to enjoy a pina colada. And the sun. Decided to finally come out of the room for a bit, get a little tan going, and a pina colada. Again, this pina colada is not an official pina colada. It's made out of powder, because unfortunately they don't have the proper stuff that they require for an actual pina colada, so they use powder pina colada. Powder, not power. Powder. I know that's what I said, but powder. It almost sounded like I said powder. Power. But anyway, yeah. So I'm just enjoying that, and yeah, I'm actually staying back there. You see that? In my original room. So here I am. Yeah. Take a look. Last year I was over there, and a year ago I was back that way again in the same room. Last year I stayed over on that far side, back over there, not over there, over that way. Yeah.